Welcome to this video. This time, we will discuss a tool that is very helpful for mobile phone technicians in Indonesia, namely the MTK Universal Unlock Tool by Alvino Flasher version 2024. This tool was created by developers from Indonesia and is shared for free for all of you who have issues with MediaTek phones. The MTK Universal Unlock Tool is a small yet powerful tool that can fix various issues on MediaTek phones. With this tool, you can easily perform multiple operations with just one click. It has been tested multiple times and proven to work very well, being used by many mobile technicians throughout Indonesia. Some of the key features of the MTK Universal Unlock Tool include formatting old and new devices, safely formatting the MISC section, removing FRP, factory reset protection, on various device types, including Samsung and other MediaTek devices. Additionally, this tool can also remove Mi accounts, although not on all devices. In this latest version 2024, there are several important updates, such as a more user-friendly interface, added features for Mi accounts, and an increased number of supported devices. Don't hesitate to use this tool. It does not cause the phone to completely shut down. You can try it on all phones that use MediaTek chipsets, and it is highly likely to succeed. How to use it? It's very easy. First, download the zip file from the provided link. Extract the files to drive C, and make sure the antivirus is disabled before starting the installation process. Don't worry about the installation, as this tool is portable. You just need to run the file mtk_alvinoflasher.exe. After that, you can directly connect your phone and perform the desired function. If the drivers are not installed, install them first. However, if they are already installed, you can skip this step. Enjoy the ease of repairing your MediaTek devices with the MTK Universal Unlock Tool, a tool trusted by mobile technicians in Indonesia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any updates.